Now going to the nested for loops, right? It's basically like this. I'm not going to show you this because this is going to confuse you. You can take a look at this at your own once you understand the example. But basically for number 1 in the range 2, for number 2 in range 1 to 5, print number 1, and then this equal to sign, there's this 6 symbol, number 2. Tell me if you guys understand this particular example and what it is doing. So first of all, it checks the num1 in range 2, which means 0 and 1. There are two numbers that it is going to give. So first is 0, right? If you use this num1 in range 2,